Bird-free is the only bird repellent gel authorized by the Health and Safety Executive for use in the UK. In order to obtain authorization, we had to submit test data to HSE to prove efficacy. Consequently, we can now give definitive answers to the two most commonly asked questions about bird-free. How effective is it? And how long does it last? Here's a link to a 4-year night roost study that was submitted to HSE. This night roost study was conducted on a building which houses heating equipment. The hot air coming out of the vents on either side of the building created a cozy night roost for pigeons. The top photo shows pigeons on the south roof just before sunset, 3 days before bird-free was installed. The bottom photo shows the same roof after it had been cleaned and disinfected. Dishes of bird-free were fixed to the top half of the roof. The roof on the north side of the building was also severely infested. HSE required us to fix empty dishes to the north roof as a control. The researchers who conducted the test set up video cameras so that they could record the exact number of pigeons present on each roof at the times of day specified by HSE. The figures at the top of this table, shown as -1, -2, and -3, represent the number of pigeons present on each roof during the 3 days prior to installation of bird-free on the south roof and empty dishes on the north roof. At sunrise on the 3rd day before installation, there were 29 pigeons on the south roof and 50 on the north. At noon, there were 44 and 0 respectively, and at 2:30, no pigeons were present on either roof. The key figure here is the number of pigeons present at sunset, and on the 3rd day before installation, these figures were 48 on the south roof and 52 on the north roof. The corresponding figures for the 2 days immediately before installation were 39 and 51 and 37 and 29, respectively. Now, let's look at the number of pigeons present on the 2 roofs after treatment. These figures, as shown in the left-hand column, are given for days 1, 2, 3, 7, 14, 30, 60, and 90 days after installation, and for 1 year, 2 years, and 4 years. The right column represents the number of pigeons on the north roof where the empty dishes were installed. As we can see, the empty dishes had no effect in deterring the pigeons from roosting. The number of pigeons present at sunset being 35, 25, 36, 41, 48, 35, 41, 37, 29, 23, and 22. By contrast, on the south roof, where bird-free was installed, the figures show that there were no pigeons present from day 1 through to 4 years. Thus, bird-free was 100% effective in preventing pigeons from roosting over a 4-year period at this site. In addition to the 4-year efficacy demonstrated in this night roost study, we have many case studies in which the client has confirmed that bird-free has remained effective for 5 years without replacement. Several of these case studies can be seen on our website. Now, let's take a quick look at what some of these clients are saying. This is a sample of sites at which BirdFree was installed in 2014 and 2015, and the client's testimonials 5 years after installation. A wide selection of case studies with before and after photos can be downloaded in full from the website. For further advice and support, visit our website at bird-free.com or call us on 0207 359 9988.